Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Arabic with Maniha. Did you know that Arabic has some of the most beautiful and poetic ways to express love? It's not just about the word Habeebi. There are so many sweet words you can use for your loved ones. In today's video, we're gonna learn the top sweet nicknames in Arabic complete with their meanings and super easy English explanation so you know exactly when to use them. Make sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. Habibi. Habibi, my love. This is the most famous Arabic word while it means my beloved for a male. It is also used very casually between male friends, brothers, or a mother to her son. Habeebati, Habeebati, my love for female. This is the female version of Habibi. You can use it for your wife, daughter, sister, or a close friend. Hayati, Hayati, my life. A beautiful, deep way to show affection. It tells the other person that they are as important to you as your own life. Qalbi, Qalbi, my heart. Short, sweet, and very common. You are telling the person that they hold a very special place in your heart. Rooh Qalbi, Rooh Qalbi, soul of my heart. This is a very romantic and poetic phrase. It means the person is not just your heart, but the actual soul inside it. Oyouni, Oyouni, my eyes. In Arabic culture, eyes are considered the most precious part of the body. Calling someone my eyes means they are incredibly dear to you. Ya Qamari, Ya Qamari, my moon. The moon is a classic symbol of beauty in Arabic poetry. It is used as a lovely compliment to tell someone that they are beautiful and bright. Nooru Eini, Nooru Eini, light of my eyes. This means the person brings brightness to your life, and without them, your world would be dark, very sweet for children or partners. Habeebu Qalbi, Habeebu Qalbi, beloved of my heart. A very warm and loving phrase. It is mostly used for a husband or a beloved son. Habeebatu Qalbi, Habeebatu Qalbi, beloved of my heart. The female version of the phrase above, perfect for a wife, daughter, or a female partner. Asal, yeah, asal. Just like we use honey or sweetie in English, Arab use asal to casually call someone sweet. Wardati, Wardati, my rose. A gentle and poetic term, it compares a girl's beauty and soft nature to a beautiful blooming rose. Amira, Amira, princess. If you want your wife to feel extra special or your sister or your daughter, you can say Ya Amira, Ya, oh, like we say in English, oh, Ya Amira, Amir, Amir, prince, the male version of Amira. It is commonly used to lovingly address a son, husband, or brother. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe my channel for more videos.